Hey, teachers. It's the end of the year once again, so I thought of sharing some of my all-time favorite New Year's activities. Let's go. Activity 1. Guess the resolution. For this activity, I show students pictures of random people like these and ask them to work in pairs to try to guess the resolutions for the new year. For example, for this picture, maybe the child wants to eat healthier, or perhaps he just doesn't like broccoli and he'd like to give it a second chance this year. To make him relate to people, I like to give him names. So for example, this is Mira. What do you think her New Year's resolution is? To make this activity extra fun, use pictures of famous celebrities that you think your students would like and ask them to guess their New Year's plans. I have already prepared a ready-to-use video for this activity, so feel free to use it. I'll keep the link in the description. Activity 2. New Year's Q&A. Instead of letting students make resolutions for other people, this activity would let them make their own. All you gotta do is go online and get some New Year's conversation questions. Write them on cards and let each pair of students pick 2 to 4 questions and make a small dialogue about them. I love this way better because it allows the students not only to answer the questions, but also work with their partner to make a nice, natural conversation. For this activity as well, I created my own set of New Year's questions as a PDF file and slides. I made sure to choose fun questions to help students reflect on the past year and prepare for the new one. If you're interested, I'll keep the link in the description as well. Last activity, then versus now. The end of the year is the time when almost all of us sit, reflect, and compare between us this year and us next year. A great way to do this with students is to make them draw a table like this one and divide it into 2 parts, now and then. Or they can write the number of the years, for example, 2022 versus 2023. I like them to be specific about their comparisons, so I provide them with some topics to write about and reflect on. Money, friends, products bought, health, and so on. I believe this activity might encourage students to learn from last year's mistakes and maybe plan well for their next one. If you're doing this activity with young learners or even teens, instead of letting them write their answers, I like to make them draw them. It's always fun to have some art in class, right? That's it, teachers. Thank you for your hard work this year. Keep at it and Happy New Year.